what does it mean to compare fractions? Well, comparing fractions means deciding which fraction is larger, which is smaller, or whether they are equal. We can tell this by using greater than, less than, or equal to show the relationship between two fractions. By the way, if fractions have the same denominator, like 3 over 8 and 5 over 8, we only compare the numerators. We do that because the parts are the same size. Remember, the denominator could be 8 and 8, 9 and 9, 6 and 6, and so on. When this happens, we focus on the top numbers. And we know that 5 is greater than 3, which makes 5 over 8 greater than 3 over 8. Second case. If fractions have the same numerator, like 1 over 2 and 1 over 4, we compare the denominators. With the same numerator, the fraction with the smaller denominator is larger. I mean, 1/2 is supposed to be bigger than 1/4. Yay! In this case, 2 over 4 is bigger than 2 over 7, because with the same numerator, the fraction with the smaller denominator is larger. Third case. When both the numerator and the denominator are different, like in this example, we use the Crisscross guide to help us compare easily. Here is how it works. Step 1. Multiply 5 by 7, which equals 35 on this side. Step 2. Multiply 4 by 6, which equals 24 on the other side. Aha! What do you see? Yes, 35 is greater than 24. Therefore, 5 over 6 is greater than 4 over 7. Let's look at another example. 3 over 4 and 2 over 5. Multiply 3 by 5, which equals 15 on this side. Step 2. Multiply 2 by 4, which equals 8 on the other side. Yay-yo! What do you see? Yes, 15 is greater than 8. Therefore, 3 over 4 is greater than 2 over 5. Have you seen how the Crisscross guide helps us? Let's compare 7 over 8 and 5 over 6. Like always, multiply 7 by 6, which equals 42 on this side. Step 2. Multiply 5 by 8, which equals 40 on the other side. 42 is greater than 40. Therefore, 7 over 8 is greater than 5 over 6. Let's compare 4 over 9 and 5 over 12. As always, multiply 4 by 12, which equals 48 on this side. Our next move is to multiply 5 by 9, which equals 45 on the other side. 48 is greater than 45. Therefore, 4 over 9 is greater than 5 over 12. Let's review. Cross multiplication works only for comparison, not for finding the value. To compare fractions. First, check if the denominators are the same. If they are, just compare the tops. Second, check if the numerators are the same. Then the fraction with the smaller bottom number is bigger. Third, use cross multiplication when the bottom numbers are different. Thanks for watching Math Anthem. If you need worksheets and answers, be sure to wait a little as we compile all the lessons on our website.